to give you guys something to take back and be like,
wow, this is a great idea.
Instead of being like,
damn, this whole video was a fail.
Alright guys, so now we're going to be making our strawberry lemon mimosas. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to have 5 strawberries, toss them in the blender, and then we're going to, instead of ice, we're going to just add water, and then we're going to blend it in with lemon juice.
Maybe we could blend it in with the lemon juice and the champagne.
I like your thinking, Alyssa. Please make sure to wash your fruit. Wash your fruit.
And your hands.
And your hands.
With antibacterial soap for at least 20 seconds.
Oh, but I think we should have known that before coronavirus. All right, so we're gonna take off the green tops of the 5 strawberries. Make sure to cut off the top because you don't want the stem. Perfect, okay. So just like the lime for the lemon, I did 1/4 of a cup. So we're just gonna add that in there. So instead of the water, we're just gonna go on ahead, okay.
You tell me.
No, I'm
On your show.
We're working together. This is all new to me. I didn't just find this online. I'm making it up as I go. Okay. Let's do a half. Let's test it out. Okay. Blend that up. That looks way better than the blueberry one, and I feel like it's gonna taste better. I can't wait. Okay, let's pour these bad boys up. Also, while that was blending, I cut little lemon slices so that we can decorate our masterpiece.
Ooh, that one had a chunk if you saw it.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh.
Bow, bow, da, bow. Bottoms up. Oh,
You could taste the ingredients.
Yep, that's fresh.
I have an idea.
Okay, presentation, A+, but you know, we want quality, and Alyssa has an idea, so what is that?
This is organic agave in the raw, so it's a natural sweetener.
Okay.
I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit. Try that.
Okay. So she just put a dollop of agave syrup. I think we should have put more strawberries in it.
I agree.
So instead of putting 5, I think we should have just put the whole thing in. And then for the lemon, the thing with lemon is you have to be careful. If you put too much lemon, it's gonna destroy whatever you're making. With this, instead of doing 1/4, we should have just done something less than that because it's pretty lemony. We're gonna try to blend up more strawberries and see if we can get a different effect. Okay, so we put 1/4 in, so we're gonna put less than just not even we're gonna do a dollop. If you don't know what a dollop is, watch me dollop it. Okay, that looks good. I don't want to put too much. There we go.
That's fine. So agave in the raw. Let's see if this makes a difference. I think it will make a difference.
Oh, okay. It smells sweeter. Yes, it does. I like that better. I like that a lot better.
I need to add champagne now.
Yeah, I need some champagne. I just taste the strawberry. It tastes delicious, y'all.
Just a splash. The ratio was nice with this one.
Yeah, so definitely no ice. I'm just gonna start off by saying that. But this one, this is my favorite drink.
Yeah.
The blueberry, just if you didn't add ice, I think it would have been better. And not too many blueberries as well.
I think this is the perfect chaser to the shot I have for you.
Chaser! Okay, yes, I'm ready.
What I need for you to do is just, I'm gonna hand it to you. Try not to look at it. And on the count of 3, we're both gonna just take it. I'm gonna take it with you.
Okay, this was a good chaser. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Stop!
Don't look at it!
Just drink it, and on the count of, there we go, you can close your eyes. On the count of 3, but we gotta cheers to make it a real shot. Ready?
Okay, cheers. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, wow, that's really good. And hot. Oh. Thank goodness this tastes good because I don't know what I'd be doing. Wow, what is that? That's really, that was, oh, I can't feel my throat.
So what it is this concoction here. It's ginger and lime juice.
Wow.
It will really help your immune system at this time.
Oh my god. There's no alcohol in it?
There's no alcohol in it.
What? Oh, wow, I'm so drunk.
And what I added into it was cayenne pepper, but I put way too much. That's why I was like, I've never tried this before, but my mom had told me it was really good with you if you add a little bit of cayenne. The ginger burns going down.
Yeah, my throat is on fire still. But it's really good. It's really good. I really like that. Corona shots, everybody.
Yes. This is delicious though. I really like how this one came out.
Yeah, this is good. I think I'm gonna recommend this one and not the blueberry one. All right, guys. This is the end of the channel. And not the end of my career because this one turned out great. The strawberry lemonade. Woo! I'm going to write up the new recipe in my Instagram story so that you guys can all see like what it's actually supposed to be, and hopefully if you're watching this video you didn't follow step by step. But thanks for coming to my channel. Like and subscribe if you want to get some more, maybe some more brunch. We'll wait on the mimosas. Bye guys!
Bye.